In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app. Now tap on one of your folders and locate all of your photos that you wish to delete. Now hold one of them. And to select multiple right away, click on this dot at the top left corner. If you wish to keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!